Today, this guide explores 4 reliable approaches on how to sync contacts from iPhone to iPad effortlessly. By understanding these methods, you can choose the one that best suits your preferences and requirements. Way 1. How to sync contacts from iPhone to iPad professionally. How can you sync iPad and iPhone contacts accordingly after connecting them? Using USB cords? With Mobican Transfer for Mobile, the job becomes effortless. This tool simplifies the connection of your devices and allows you to move files. How to get iPhone contacts on iPad via Transfer for Mobile. Install program. Connect devices, source iPhone, destination iPad. Choose contacts in the list. Click Start Copy. Way 2. How to sync iPhone contacts with iPad by AirDrop. Enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth on iPhone and iPad. Open Contacts. Pick Contact. Share AirDrop. Choose iPad's AirDrop. Confirm successful transfer. Way 3. How to sync iPad with iPhone contacts using iCloud. Same iCloud on both devices. iPhone. Settings iCloud. Confirm contacts. Sync on. Merge to combine. Repeat on iPad. iCloud auto transfers contacts. Way 4. How to sync iPhone contacts to iPad via iTunes. iTunes. Connect iPhone. Trust connection if prompted. iPhone icon summary uncheck Wi-Fi sync apply. Disconnect iPhone. Connect iPad. iTunes. iPad info sync contacts all contacts apply.